everyone, my name's Gail Shaw. Welcome to my course Optimizing SQL Server Statistics and Indexes. I'm a technical lead at Intellect in Johannesburg, South Africa. In this course, we're going to have a look at why and how you should perform index and statistics maintenance in SQL Server. Some of the things we will cover include creating and dropping indexes to keep up with a changing workload, rowstore index fragmentation and how to handle it, why columnstore indexes need maintenance and what options you have, and what statistics are and why they need maintenance. By the end of this course, you'll be well versed in what you need to do to keep your indexes in order and your database performing well. Before starting the course, you should be familiar with SQL Server indexes, what they are and how they're used. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn more about indexes with the Optimizing SQL Server Statistics and Indexes course at Pluralsight.